This video is aimed at professional service technicians and users proficient with mechanical and electrical repairs. Thoroughly test after any repair work. Hi, in this video, we will demonstrate how to remove and install the air coupler on your float if you need to clean it or replace for a new one. For this job, you'll need a 22mm spanner with narrow head, Loctite SI 5331 silicone thread locker, and a small bottle brush. Loosen the coupler using the 22mm spanner in counterclockwise direction and unscrew it by hand. Clean the residues of the old silicone thread locker with a brush. Insert the new gasket inside the groove and apply a little bit of Loctite silicone thread locker on the threads inside. Take the new air coupler, press it against the gasket by hand, while simultaneously rotating the coupler with the spanner in clockwise direction. This is how it should look like.